So in the latest Microsoft Windows update debacle, it uninstalls Microsoft's Copilot and removes it from your taskbar. Automatically uninstalls it. Now, to some of you, this may be good news because you don't want Copilot. I'll put the versions of Windows affected up on the screen here so you can take a look. Now, if this has happened to you and you want Copilot back, you can look in the Microsoft Store and download it from there so you can get it back. So Microsoft shoots itself in the foot once again with these updates. It makes you wonder, is anybody actually testing out these updates before they're released? Because not long ago there was some kind of printer issue where a major printer, if it was connected to a USB port, would print out all kinds of gibberish and nonsense. So yeah, another debacle for Microsoft. So really, we can only wonder what's going to happen when Windows 10 has the end of life in October and everybody's trying to cram onto Windows 11. You can just imagine what's going to happen then, right? So Microsoft is just not doing too well with their updates lately or ever. I don't know. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time. Take it easy.